Hey everyone, and welcome to Probability for Data Science and Machine Learning. This is the best and most in-depth online resource for learning all the probability you need in order to succeed in data science and other related fields.
So who am I and why should you listen to me? Well, my name is The Lazy Programmer, and I'm the author of over 30 online courses in data science, machine learning, and financial analysis. I have 2 master's degrees in engineering and statistics. My career in this field spans over 15 years. I've worked at multiple companies that we now call big tech and multiple startups. Using data science, I've increased revenues by millions of dollars with the teams I've led. But most importantly, I am very passionate about bringing this pivotal technology to you.
Okay, so what is this course all about? Well, as the title suggests, this course is all about probability. Now, if you're here, you probably already know why probability is so important in data science and machine learning. But just in case you don't, here's a quick summary. Firstly, modern AIs like ChatGPT, Meta's Llama, and Google's Gemini are all probabilistic large language models. They predict a probability distribution over the next word in a sequence and generate words one at a time, as you've seen if you've ever used one of these awesome tools. Probability is also the basis for another type of modern AI, diffusion models, which are used to generate realistic images and audio. These include DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and Suno, much to the dismay of artists around the world. Diffusion models follow a probabilistic process called a Markov chain. And clearly, probability is the foundation of probabilistic models. These include hidden Markov models, which are powerful sequence models used for speech recognition, DNA analysis in biology, and trading financial instruments. They were used at the most successful quantitative hedge fund in the world, Renaissance Technologies. Another popular probabilistic model is the Markov decision process, the foundation of modern reinforcement learning. This powers superhuman AIs that can play chess, Go, and computer games like Dota 2 and StarCraft 2. Reinforcement learning is also used to train modern AIs like ChatGPT. Probability is also the foundation of statistics, which is itself the foundation of modern data science. In fact, most statisticians will tell you, data science is really just a fancy buzzword for what statisticians have been doing all along. You simply cannot understand statistics without probability. As a side note, in case you were wondering, statistics is a different subject than probability. I like to think of it as probability part 2. Let's not stop here. Probability is also the foundation for Bayesian methods, including Bayesian machine learning. This allows us to quantify uncertainty in a much more powerful way compared to standard models. There are Bayesian variants of many machine learning models, including linear regression, k-means clustering, and neural networks. But that's not to say probability isn't present in standard machine learning models as well. From linear regression to neural networks, probability is almost always used in some way. If you don't understand probability, your understanding of these models will be limited. So what will you learn in this course, and what will you get out of it? Well, this course will teach you all the parts of probability you need to know in order to understand data science and machine learning. Now, typically, if you take probability in college, you'll be taking at least 1 full semester course to master the subject. For busy people like you and me, that is way too long. Luckily, I found a way to condense everything you need to know, so that you can learn all the probability you need in just a few hours. I've extracted the most useful concepts and discarded the rest. By the end of this course, you will have learned all the probability you need to know in order to understand machine learning algorithms in depth. This means going beyond just using scikit-learn and not knowing the difference between a random forest and gradient boosting. This means knowing how neural networks really work, beyond just copying someone else's TensorFlow notebooks. By the end of this course, you will feel comfortable listing probability on your resume. You'll also get a certificate of completion you can share on your LinkedIn account to impress your colleagues and potential employers with your newfound skills. This course will help you achieve your career goals. Whether you want to get a job in data analytics, increase your salary, create your own business, or just analyze data for fun, this course is for you. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.